Meanwhile, Rube, those who are eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine now have yet another place to get that shot.
That's right. CVS has started taking appointments for vaccinations. Fox 2's Robin Murdoch is live with more on what you need to know. Robin, good news.
It is very good news, Roop and Amy. And you know what? So far, the demand has been great for these appointments. There's a couple of different ways in which you can register for an appointment by phone or by going online. So far, a lot of people are doing that because many of the appointments, they're already booked. CVS Pharmacy is among the latest businesses boosting their efforts to beat COVID-19. The chain announced as soon as Sunday, stores in select cities in Michigan would be administering the vaccine, including right here in Detroit. Registration opened up Friday morning, and within hours, all these shot appointments were booked solid.
We train the immune system to recognize it and ensure that it doesn't cause replication. Replication causes disease, the disease that we know as COVID-19.
CVS will also offer the medicine at stores in Fraser in the Metro Detroit area, along with Holt, Jackson, and Lansing. In all, workers will be doling out doses at more than 1,300 sites nationwide as part of the federal retail pharmacy program rollout. When the vaccine supplies increase, we are told the number of locations offering the drug will also expand.
You need to be available and accessible in communities across the country. And so with our nearly 10,000 locations, we are in close proximity to a majority of Americans across the country.
Right now, healthcare workers, educators, those 60 and older, or people 50 plus with underlying medical conditions are cleared for the COVID shots. On Monday, Michigan residents 16 and older with health issues will also be eligible. Then beginning April 5th, all adults in the state will qualify.
There's no cost to the patient. So the vaccines, as well as the supplies needed to be able to provide the vaccine, have been paid for by the federal government.
So there are 3 different ways in which you can register for these appointments. You can go to the CVS website. You can also go to the CVS app, or you can call the CVS customer hotline. And that number to call, it is 1-800-746-7287. And again, you must register for an appointment. You cannot simply just show up at a CVS store and expect to get the shots. And again, you do want to register as soon as possible because these spots are going very quickly. We are live in downtown Detroit this morning. Robin Murdoch, Fox 2 News.
Yeah, and Robin, we really can't emphasize enough how important it is to get in there and get that vaccine wherever you can get it because, our case rate is going up here in Michigan, really trending in the wrong direction, up like 50% since the February low. So, even though it seems like the deaths are down, we do still have a lot of people getting COVID-19. So as soon as you can get in there and get that vaccination, go for it.
Yeah, we certainly are not out of the woods yet. And some of the latest numbers that we are seeing in the latest trends, they are very alarming. And I think the fact that you are seeing these appointments go so quickly within just a matter of hours of registration opening up, it shows that lots of people are hoping to get one and they want to get one very soon. Back to you.
No doubt. All right. Thank you so much, Robin Murdoch.